Developing positive self-talk requires practice and self-awareness. Here are some strategies to cultivate a positive internal dialogue. 1. Challenge negative thoughts. Become aware of negative self-talk patterns and challenge them with evidence and positive counterstatements. 2. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding. Offer yourself the same support and encouragement you would give to a friend. 3. Use affirmations. Create positive affirmations that reflect your strengths, values, and goals. Repeat them regularly to reinforce positive self-talk. 4. Focus on gratitude. Cultivate a mindset of gratitude by acknowledging and appreciating the positive aspects of your life. This helps shift your self-talk towards positivity. 5. Surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with positive people, inspirational content, and environments that support positive self-talk. Self-talk plays a significant role in shaping our personality. By consciously choosing positive and empowering thoughts, we can enhance our self-perception, emotional well-being, behavior, beliefs, and mindset. Developing positive self-talk requires self-awareness, practice, and the willingness to challenge negative thoughts. As we cultivate a positive internal dialogue, we can foster personal growth, build resilience, and develop a more confident and optimistic personality. Remember, self-talk is a powerful tool that can shape our lives, so let's use it to uplift and empower ourselves.